Unit tests ensure your code works as expected by testing small pieces of functionality in isolation. They catch bugs early in development and make refactoring easier because you immediately know when changes break existing functionality. Using NUnit, you can write tests like this, where each test is going to focus on a specific behavior, and this way you keep tests simple and focused on a single concern. Follow the Arrange-Act-Assert pattern, where you set up test data, call the method being tested, and check the results against expected values. Mock dependencies with frameworks like Moq to isolate the unit being tested from external systems like databases or web services. Write tests for edge cases like empty inputs, exceptions for invalid data, and happy paths for normal usage. Aim for high coverage but prioritize critical paths and business logic.